In regards to the coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19, we at Stan's Roofing and Siding have many ways that we can still help you with your project or needed repairs. Anything that you call us for is on the outside of the house. So we can meet to discuss these things face to face on the outside of your house via phone, text, email, FaceTime call. There's a lot of different ways that we can discuss your problems or situations that you're having with your house. We take plenty of pictures with descriptions. We could also take videos of what we find, and we could correlate this all together to discuss with you. We could do this via email, or we could even get together online to have a live chat face-to-face that way too. So I hope all this does show you that you're still going to have projects, you're still going to have needs, repair items that are going to need to be done, and we could definitely still help you out and take advantage of this time that you're home over these next few days or few weeks to take care of your house. So if there's anything we could help you with, please visit our website at www.stansroofingandsiding.com or give us a call. Thank you.